The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Always speak with your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or fitness routine. Now let's set the scene and really paint the picture of what so many people are experiencing every single day. You're doing everything right. I mean everything. 5 days a week at the gym, pushing yourself through those workouts. Your step counts are locked in at 10,000 every day without fail. Meals are planned meticulously, portions weighed on the food scale, desserts completely eliminated. Your water bottle is always full and by your side. You feel disciplined, committed, focused. And yet, month after month, that same stubborn belly fat around your midsection refuses to budge even slightly. The scale hasn't moved more than a pound in weeks, maybe months. Your clothes still fit the same way. Progress feels completely stalled. Marcus from North Carolina reached out to me with this exact story just last month. He laughed bitterly on our call and said, "John, I swear my body followed completely different rules in my 20s. He explained how back then, he'd simply cut back on food for a few days before vacation or an event, and instantly the results would show up. The fat would melt off. Energy would surge. Confidence would return. But now at 42, despite all his discipline and consistency, it feels like nothing works anymore no matter what he tries. If that scenario sounds painfully familiar to you, listen closely because you're definitely not alone. Thousands of people over the age of 35 describe this exact same frustration. They wake up committed, they execute all day, they go to bed disciplined, and still wake up to the same body in the mirror. It genuinely feels like your metabolism just broke overnight without warning. So the million-dollar question becomes, what actually changed inside your body? Why does everything that used to work no longer deliver results? Today, we're going much deeper than surface-level advice about calories, workouts, or the latest trendy diets sweeping social media. We're talking about the microscopic engines inside every single one of your cells, your mitochondria, and why leading researchers now believe they hold the actual key to restoring your energy, reigniting fat loss, and reclaiming that vitality you remember from your 30s. If you've ever genuinely felt like your metabolism suddenly slammed on the emergency brakes despite your best efforts, what you're about to learn could genuinely explain exactly why that's happening. Want to keep building real momentum on your health journey? Here's the silent shift that happens after age 35 that nobody warns you about. Elena from Oregon didn't notice it creeping up at first. She just started feeling more tired than usual. Her once enjoyable workouts suddenly felt much heavier, like she was pushing through mud. Recovery between sessions took significantly longer than it used to. What used to be a quick bounce back now left her sore for days. What Elena didn't realize, and what catches so many people by surprise, was that the biggest metabolic change after 35 doesn't actually start with appetite shifts or hormone fluctuations. It begins deep inside your cells at the most fundamental level. Each one of your cells contains hundreds, sometimes thousands, of mitochondria. These are your cellular power plants working around the clock. Their job is to take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and convert both into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the actual energy currency that fuels every single thing your body does, from contracting muscles to firing brain signals. Research consistently shows that sometime in your mid-30s, mitochondrial quality and quantity begin a noticeable decline. Fewer power plants running means less total energy output. Slower metabolism across the board. Increasing fatigue that you can't quite explain. Let me paint a picture to make this crystal clear. Imagine a city powered by 100 electrical plants running efficiently. Suddenly, 25 of those plants shut down completely. The remaining 75 try to pick up the slack but run inefficiently at maximum capacity. Streetlights dim. Factories slow production. Traffic lights flicker. The entire city grinds toward slowdown. That's exactly what's happening inside your body as mitochondrial function declines by an estimated 20 to 30% after age 35. Energy production dips across every system. Mood stability shifts. Workout recovery slows dramatically. And your metabolism, the complex process that determines whether calories get burned as fuel or stored as fat, takes the biggest hit of all. Now let's talk about why all those traditional diets and strategies that worked perfectly in your 20s and early 30s suddenly stopped delivering results. Trevor from Michigan tried literally everything in his toolbox. He cut calories lower and lower, added more cardio sessions, extended workout duration. He tracked macros obsessively. Intermittent fasting, low carb, keto. You name it, he tried it. At 25 years old, those exact same strategies worked like clockwork. At 40, however, they completely backfired in ways he never expected. Here's why. Severe calorie restriction sends a starvation signal to your body. Your mitochondria receive that signal and immediately slow their energy output to conserve resources for survival. They go into protective mode. The result becomes a vicious cycle: complete exhaustion, completely stalled fat loss, constant ravenous hunger, and deepening frustration. Your body literally adapts by burning fewer calories to match your reduced intake. Long endurance cardio sessions can actually worsen mitochondrial stress if recovery capacity is poor. That drained for days feeling after pushing through an intense 90-minute workout? That's not weakness or lack of willpower. That's cellular overload, where your mitochondria simply cannot recover fast enough. Your body isn't fighting against you intentionally. It's protecting itself based on ancient survival programming that doesn't understand modern gym memberships and meal prep containers. Now let's zoom in even closer on the actual fat-burning process itself and why it breaks down. Deep inside your mitochondria, dietary fat gets converted into usable energy through a process called beta oxidation. Healthy, functioning mitochondria perform this fat-burning process cleanly and efficiently hour after hour. Weak, stressed, or declining mitochondria, however, stall that critical process entirely. Unused fat molecules accumulate. Oxidative stress skyrockets as electrons leak during inefficient energy production. Free radicals damage surrounding tissues. Here's a critical detail most people miss. Muscle tissue contains the highest concentration of mitochondria in your entire body. When mitochondrial density declines with age, those workouts that used to transform your physique start feeling significantly harder while delivering fewer visible returns. That's precisely why people universally report that the same weights they curled effortlessly at 30 suddenly feel brutally heavy at 40. It has nothing to do with imagination or declining willpower. It's cellular physics, fewer energy factories supporting the same muscle fibers. Danielle from Arizona captured this frustration perfectly when she shared her story with me after months of stalled progress despite perfect consistency. She was disciplined beyond belief. Meals prepped. Gym never missed. Sleep tracked. And yet completely exhausted with zero body composition changes. Once she shifted focus toward optimizing sleep quality, incorporating strategic daily movement instead of just gym sessions, and adding targeted mitochondrial support, everything changed. Her natural energy returned first. Then her body composition finally began shifting in the right direction. That breakthrough brings us to the single biggest question people ask me. Can mitochondrial function actually be restored and rebuilt? Or is this just permanent aging decline? Science says yes, mitochondrial function can absolutely be restored gradually through a fascinating process called mitochondrial biogenesis. Think of mitochondrial biogenesis as your body receiving the green light to build brand new power plants to replace the inefficient aging ones and increase total energy capacity. This cellular renovation doesn't happen by accident. The right environment must exist. Specific nutrients must reach the cellular level. Blood flow must deliver oxygen efficiently. Stress hormones must remain balanced rather than elevated. Powerful antioxidants must neutralize oxidative damage. That's exactly where a carefully designed supplement like Mitolyn may help create those optimal conditions. Mitolyn focuses specifically on supporting the cellular root cause of metabolic slowdown rather than masking symptoms. No harsh stimulants that spike and crash. No caffeine jitters. No artificial energy borrowing. It's intelligently formulated for exactly the demographic watching this video. Adults over 35 who already eat well, train consistently, show up every day, and still feel completely stuck with stalled progress. The formula supports 3 critical areas: circulation to deliver nutrients, antioxidant defense against oxidative damage, and direct mitochondrial nourishment for cellular energy production. Important disclaimer: Mitolyn is never positioned as a magic pill or overnight solution. It's a long-term cellular support tool designed to work alongside your existing healthy habits. Let me walk you through the actual ingredients and their targeted roles. Maca root supports sustained energy and healthy hormonal balance. Hawthorn extract promotes healthy circulation and oxygen delivery. Ginger helps combat oxidative stress. Turmeric delivers curcumin to support inflammation balance. Schisandra berry provides adaptogens that may encourage mitochondrial biogenesis. White kidney bean extract supports stable blood sugar patterns for consistent fuel. Together, these 6 ingredients form a comprehensive formula aimed at repairing the actual cellular machinery that produces your energy, rather than forcing artificial stimulation that leads to crashes. This is your mid-video reminder to hit subscribe and like, so you never miss life-changing health tips that actually respect your biology and work with your age rather than against it. What genuinely sets Mitolyn apart in a crowded supplement market? It focuses on restoring your natural energy production capacity, rather than borrowing energy from tomorrow through stimulation. And the company demonstrates real confidence by backing every purchase with a comprehensive money-back guarantee. Now here's the honest truth about realistic timelines and expectations. Mitochondrial decline doesn't happen overnight. It accumulates gradually over decades of stress, suboptimal nutrition, environmental exposures, and normal aging processes. Rebuilding mitochondrial capacity and efficiency takes consistent targeted support over similar timeframes. That's precisely why many dedicated users commit to 60 or 90-day protocols to allow cellular changes to compound and become measurable. Maximum results come from pairing supplementation with intelligent supporting habits. Prioritize deep restorative sleep, 7 to 9 hours where actual cellular repair happens. Emphasize resistance training. Lifting weights specifically stimulates mitochondrial growth. Eat nutrient-dense whole foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients. Manage chronic stress proactively through breathing, nature time, or meditation. Consider strategic short fasting or cold exposure, both proven mitochondrial boosters. When these smart habits align with targeted cellular support, the results genuinely compound exponentially over time. Let's pull everything together in a clear recap so you leave with actionable takeaways. Your mitochondria power literally every aspect of your metabolism, from fat burning to workout recovery. After age 35, they naturally lose efficiency and quantity, creating the perfect storm of fatigue, stubborn fat storage, and slower recovery. That predictable cellular decline explains precisely why your 20s strategies suddenly stop working despite perfect execution. Supporting mitochondrial health through nutrition, lifestyle, and targeted supplementation may help restore your body's natural fat-burning ability at its actual cellular source. Mitolyn represents one science-backed approach worth considering for adults experiencing this exact metabolic shift. If this video genuinely opened your eyes to the cellular root of stalled fat loss, check the description below for your next must-watch video that builds perfectly on everything you learned today with additional metabolic recovery strategies. If you're over 35 and feel like your disciplined body is genuinely working against you, despite perfect consistency, remember this empowering truth. Your energy, metabolic flexibility, and fat-burning capacity aren't permanently gone. They're waiting to be systematically rebuilt from the cellular foundation up. To learn more about Mitolyn, including current pricing, discount codes, and their full money-back guarantee, visit the official site using the first link in the description below. That link supports this channel at no extra cost to you while giving you the best available offer. Your weight loss journey starts now. Thank you for watching.